Meaning of hypodermic.
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 Hypodermic. The term hypodermic refers to something that is administered or applied under the skin. It can be used in a medical context, such as a hypodermic needle used to inject medication, or in cosmetic procedures, such as a hypodermic injection of fillers. The word originates from the Greek hypo meaning under and derma meaning skin. In general usage, it can also refer to any direct or immediate influence or effect, as if injected subcutaneously. Overall, the term hypodermic implies a direct and effective delivery of a substance or impact.